Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan, and today we got a live stream for the crypto market. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what's going on. We're seeing gold recently making all-time highs, which is pretty impressive. And the question is, can we see the same happen with BTC? Will BTC follow suit next? That's exactly what we're taking a look at in today's video. Before we start though, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out any live streams just like this. We try to go live 2 to 3 times a week, every single week on this channel. This week has been tough. Between Christmas and some personal family issues, wasn't able to make the streams, but we're back and better than ever, and we're back at an interesting segment in the market, as the market looks like it could be heading in the right direction, and hopefully that's a green direction, and hopefully that's on a upward frame. Let's go ahead and take a look at the market. Again, guys, before I start the stream though, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any lives just like this. And also, remember guys, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor, therefore none of this is financial advice. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in the markets. So the market is up today by 0.13%. Earlier today, we were above the $3 trillion market cap and currently sitting at 2.99. In terms of fear and greed index, we are currently sitting at 29 fear. Now, this is actually not that bad because just a couple weeks ago, we were at extreme fear. Hopefully we shift into neutral if we see some more buying pressure. But right now we're seeing a lot of people scared to hold and a lot of selling pressure across the board. Now the RSI is currently sitting at 48.5, slightly in the direction oversold, but still in a relatively healthy spot. Not too much on the overbought side, not too much on the oversold side. Again, for the long-term future, we would prefer for this to be closer overbought, more buying pressure. But again, in the long-term future, it won't really matter. We're just seeing a different segment in the market right now where fear seems to be a priority. Okay, earlier today we did see Bitcoin reclaim 90,000. Ethereum, on the other hand, holding strong around the 3,000 zone. A lot of people thought we would end the year with Bitcoin reclaiming 100,000 and Ethereum reclaiming above 3,500, potentially even back to 4,000. But again, it's hard to say, and we're just all kind of waiting very closely. Now, guys, I do want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet, and it allows you to create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously, and I appreciate it if you check it out. Best Wallet allows you to buy and swap Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with Best Wallet, the smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Is a fantastic UI. I actually use one myself. A bunch of features. It's getting very UI friendly, and again, I love how they continue adding on more features. It's recommended by top sources in both the crypto and finance space. Multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial, where you can buy, store, deposit, send, swap, manage your portfolio stake. It has a launch pad. It's multi-chain. It is an all-in-one wallet that you definitely need to check out. Again, link in the description box below. Every download supports the channel tremendously, so I'd appreciate it if you check this out. Now, as the title suggests, if you haven't heard already, gold has created new all-time highs, and the question is, will Bitcoin follow suit next? And that's what it's starting to look like. Gold hits new all-time highs as Bitcoin reclaims $90,000. Who wins a Santa rally, BTC or gold? And as of now, gold is definitely winning. Gold has surged to new all-time highs, while Bitcoin has reclaimed the 90,000 level, setting up for a Santa rally showdown between BTC and gold. Both assets are benefiting from a similar macro tailwind, cooling inflation, expectations of easier monetary policies, and rising demand for store of values, but they represent very different market narratives. Gold is leading from a defensive angle. Gold moves into price discovery, reflecting sustained demand for safety driven by central bank buying, geopolitical uncertainty, and risk hedging. So essentially, people are buying gold as a safer option. A great place, a safe haven, as a tokenized version of gold. XAUT mirrors the strength on chain, offering exposure to gold sustainability with its added advantage of blockchain liquidity in year-end markets. This defensive positioning often attracts steady inflows, which just makes it a bit more on the safe hand. Now, on Bitcoin side, for the other side, or Bitcoin, meanwhile, is positioned as a high beta play, reclaiming 90K, signaled renewed risk appetite. So people are more and more open to the idea that Bitcoin could outperform a lot of assets, and those who have a more risk appetite are looking more into Bitcoin versus gold. Support by ETF inflows, declined exchange balances, and improved market structure. Historically, when liquidity improves into year end, Bitcoin tends to outperform traditional assets due to its higher volatility and momentum driven flows. So, who wins the Santa rally if market remains cautious? Gold could continue to lead with more stable gains if risk on momentum accelerates. Bitcoin has the edge for stronger upside. The current setup favors a barbell approach. We're seeing at XAUT providing sustainability, while BTC captures potential Santa rally alpha. And then they have the charts comparing the two down below. The question is, which one would you pick? Do let me know your personal thoughts on this. Like, where are you standing? What do you think will outperform in the longer market? Gold, whether it's crypto-backed gold or just everyday gold, or Bitcoin? I personally think, in the grand scheme of things, in the long term of things, that Bitcoin is definitely going to outperform. And I'm holding, I'm buying. Okay, I see the comments here. Crypto over, my G. Buy AMC stock. I don't think crypto's over, man. I think this is a fantastic time to be buying the dip. I think in a very short period of time, people start realizing the truth, and that is that we're about to see a lot of dominance within the crypto market. We're going to see more and more money flow into the crypto market, and we're going to see global adoption on a scale we've never seen before. And for that reason, no, crypto is definitely not over, my friend. I would actually just be locked in and focused like never before. Now, Bitcoin price action on the month up about 4%, on the week up about 3%, on the day down about 0.5%, currently around 88.5K. It had a high on the 24 hours around $90,237. And we see Michael Saylor didn't buy more Bitcoin. How outrageous could this be? I mean, the guy has a massive bag, like over what, 60 billion. Strategy balance remains unchanged at 671,000 Bitcoin plus. Okay, that's over $60.5 billion. A pause from one of the largest corporate Bitcoin holders stands out, especially given current market uncertainty. Meanwhile, BlackRock transferred 2019 Bitcoin and 29,000 Ethereum to Coinbase Prime, a move often interpreted by market as potential preparation for selling or portfolio rebalancing. Added pressure, Ethereum ATHs are seeing outflow. This signal declines risk appetite and growing short-term cautious around ETH. Again, this is obviously causing fear in the market. BlackRock moving their funds into Coinbase Prime. Could they be selling? Saylor not buying more. Is he positioned to sell? In the long term, I don't think either parties are going to sell. I think BlackRock would potentially sell. I don't think they care about holding Bitcoin for long term. They're not Bitcoin maxis by any means. They're literally just in it for the money. And again, there's nothing wrong with that, right? As a lot of people are probably in crypto just for the money. So they're going to rotate. Saylor, on the other hand, seems a little bit more bullish for the long-term future of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin as a whole. So I don't see him selling just because he didn't buy. I think this is just an outlandish article, just kind of clawing and creeping at any point they can to kind of just rip down the crypto markets. I get it. The markets have taken a pullback. It's not pretty. It's looking rather ugly. But the reality is markets come and flows. And it's not the first time we've seen volatility in the crypto market before. Not the first ever cycle we've seen before. And there is a chance we do enter crypto winter. A lot of people expected this cycle to be different. A super cycle, some would say, simply because we imagined that the ETFs were going to change the volatility, right? We've seen more stable. And to the argument, we've definitely seen more stability. Last cycle, if the market condition was as it was today, Bitcoin would have definitely plummeted and made some new lows, right? However, we do see stability. We still see some price flow. We see a decent bit of holding, and we see a decent bit of institutional money, Wall Street money. So again, long-term of crypto remains rather bullish, at least in my personal point of view. We're seeing a lot of articles on Bitcoin. Bitcoin fades after strategy sells stock to brace for winter. Strategy pauses Bitcoin buys, boosting cash reserves by 748 million last week. A lot of articles on strategy not buying, as it was a massive moment for Bitcoin. Now, talking about Bitcoin, talking about buying and not buying, there's an altcoin that I've been covering very closely on this channel. If you're a subscriber, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Bitcoin Hyper, as the pre-sale could be ending very soon, and this could be a pretty fantastic opportunity to jump on board to. This one is called Bitcoin Hyper. the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain. Scalability and speed for Bitcoin are finally here, and you can buy on the Hyper Presale website right now. Presale link in the description box below. Bitcoin Hyper official Presale website. Buy Hyper before powers the fastest chain layer in Bitcoin history. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin, payments, meme coins, and dApps. In 17 hours and 40 minutes, they're set to increase their price. They've raised just under $30 million in their pre-sale and continue to raise money very fast. They're growing a community pretty fast. They're building a product to make Bitcoin faster, cheaper, and more effective. And it's utility like this that makes products stand out. That's why I've been very bullish for Hyper since day one. So if you're interested in checking this one out, there's a link in the description box below for this pre-sale project, as I see it as a fantastic opportunity. Now, back to the crypto markets, we're seeing on the news tab, Wall Street, where was that? Wall Street bid on crypto demands 2025, but what demand will outlook for 2026? XRP ETFs long out inflows, while other crypto products shed 952 million. We're seeing a lot of articles, a lot of topic on Bitcoin in the crypto market, not just from the meme side of thing, but also from the alt side of thing. We haven't really dabbled into the meme coin market. We'll save the memes for later in the live, but definitely something to really look out for. That's really going to signal where we see crypto go from here. Crypto markets today, gold tokens shine while Bitcoin price rise to $89,000. And then we go to Bitcoin archives. They post arguably some of the greatest news regarding Bitcoin, at least. Justin, Peter Thiel, and Palmer Lucky's Bitcoin and Crypto Bank to raise 350 million, doubling it valuation to 4.35 billion. It's from Bloomberg. Justin, Bitcoin supporter Michael Slegg, sworn in at CFTC chairman. Trump will pick a new Fed chair and bring rates down, says Commerce Secretary Lutnick. Why does the strongest country in the world have the 34th highest interest rate? It makes no sense. So hopefully we start to see some recovery in the markets, and that will definitely fuel a fire within the crypto markets, the stock markets, and the real estate markets, and not just for America, but North America as a whole. Trump to name the Fed chair by next week, January 2026. That could definitely see a massive push in the price for crypto. Fidelity, one Bitcoin may be worth $1 billion by 2038. I mean, 1 billion would be absolutely insane. Is that even possible? I doubt it. One Bitcoin may be equivalent to 1 billion by 2038, and 2038 is not that far away if you think about it, right? Like, that's crazy. According to Timmer, director of Global Macro Fidelity, Timmer backed up his assertion with a 4-hour Bitcoin USD chart that combined the stock to flow model with his demand model, in Timmer's words. So again, in 2038, there won't be any Bitcoin. Quantum is coming. Okay, so I don't know. $1 billion Bitcoin, that just sounds like ludicrous. But again, things could be crazy. Russia's central bank says Bitcoin mining is supported. The Rebel Foresight News, Russia's estimated to control 16% of global Bitcoin hash rate, which is absolutely insane. They just continue to double down on crypto and the production as a whole, which again, this is another reason why I see longevity in the crypto markets and why I see a future that's very bright for crypto. I don't get scared by, people saying the markets are over, sell your positions now, and I actually see this as a fantastic opportunity to be doubling down and buying the dip. Again, there's always going to be waves, ebbs and flows in the market. There's going to be cycles where things are going up, and there's going to be cycles where things are going down, and that's both not just exclusive for the crypto market, but both for the stock market, crypto market, and financial market as a whole. Now, with technicals and the fact that we're seeing a floor being formed at all is a very bullish indicator that the market is in the right direction. It's going in the right direction, right? And we need to continue to see more outlook like that, which is why I continue to be very, very bullish on both the crypto market and the finance market. And again, I'm not getting fearful of these micro shakeouts, great opportunities. And I personally think we're going to still see another leg in this crypto market as a whole. I don't think it's over just yet, okay? How many Bitcoin liquidations this week? So this week we saw several hundred millions of USD of Bitcoin futures liquidations. A peak single day Bitcoin tallies reports between 174M and 218M. Base 24-hour flush this week was about 652M across crypto, with BTC roughly 184 million liquidated. Another 24-hour window saw 584 million total liquidations, including Bitcoin BTC 174 million. CoinDesk in the 4-hour span, Bitcoin liquidations were reported near 108 million. Now, the issue with this was high leverage trading, right? This is going to burn a lot of people, and with more burned users, we don't see people wanting to come back. And this is something very similar we saw within the meme coin market as well. So again, this is nothing new here, but I think there's still a lot of room for growth here, but it's just something to definitely factor in. That's why, you always still manage your risk portfolio. Now, like I said, we touched the meme coin market as well. Let's go ahead and do a quick recap and overall what's going on within the crypto meme coin market. Meme coin market down by 1%, volume up over 17%. We're seeing some pretty decent action within the meme coin world and that's for the day. For the month, of about 0.5%, not too shabby. We're seeing Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and Trump in the most visited. I see AIC. I'm not sure what this is. It's a new coin. We're seeing this rare Dogecoin signal, only appears before major moves. I mean, we start seeing major moves within the meme coin sector. We probably see a lot of rapid price movement, which would be very good for the markets. Again, some memes to be bullish for. I mean, I don't even see this guy. I see it every time, but Dogecoin, Pepe, Shiba Inu, Pudgy Penguins is a big one. Bonk, Floki, Dog with Hat. There's a bunch of really decent opportunities that I've been eyeing. Toshi's another one. Turbo's another one. Baby Dogecoin another one. The ones that have utility are the ones I'm buying and the ones I'm holding. And again, these are great times to be buying. Sorry, excuse me, I got a sneeze. Okay, never mind, pass. But these are great time to be buying those specific memes. It's ones that you believe in and you see a long-term future for. And the fact that you're buying them at such a crazy discount price is just unreal. Knowing the cycles typically repeat, right? With Shiba Inu, for example, right? If we go to last cycle, right? Imagine you miss a top, right? And you saw it dump completely to right around here. When everyone thought the crypto market was over, you start buying here and you start taking profits up here. You're looking at some pretty serious gains. We are in the exact same position, right? Whether this winter's shorter and we start to see it pump sooner, great, you can take profits right away. Or if we do it longer, over here, the point is volatility is your friend, especially when you're investing in the market. So again, whether Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pepe, or some of the other meme coins I mentioned, it's a fantastic time to be buying and holding memes if you're bullish for these projects in the long term. Now, when everything's crashing, it's very easy to be pessimistic and say the markets are going to zero. I don't want to hold. I don't want to buy. I get it. I've been there before too. But the reality is, if you were bullish for crypto just 2 months ago, right? The reality is what changed, right? The global viewpoint might have changed. The world might have become less bullish. But when you understand that's the mainstream, but the crypto world is still very bullish. We're going to still see crypto conferences. We're going to still see development within crypto, right? There's so much building that's going to continue happening. This is not a time to be fading. I should be watching the meme coin market pretty closely as well, especially if you've been bullish for the memes in the past before. Now, notably, there are 2 meme coins I'm also buying as well that are on pre-sale right now, or not buying, but have bought into. One being Pepe Node. This one's a very cool crypto pre-sale project. Pepe Node pre-sale. It's a mine to earn platform. Pepe Node lets you build your own virtual meme coin mining rig, where you can buy nodes, build server rooms, and combine nodes for huge bonuses. Buy nodes, upgrade your faculties, and earn memes in the process. They're offering a 546% stake in reward, unlike anything else in the market right now. In 16 days, the project is going live, so this is your last chance to buy during the pre-sale. They've raised over $2.3 million in pre-sale, so it's very cool as it brings mining to the masses without requiring physical computing power. Pepe Node brings gamified meme coin mining to the masses. No physical computing power required. Pepe Node allows you to build a customized meme coin mining rig in your own virtual server room. More nodes equals more meme coins. So you can buy nodes, upgrade your faculties, and earn meme coins in the process. A very fun way to be trading crypto. This is where meme coins bring the fun, right? You add utility to make it fun. You make it more worthwhile, and it just makes things more interesting, right? You start with this empty server room. You buy your nodes. You buy more nodes. Combine nodes for better bonuses, and you can sell your nodes, which adds an extra gamified element, which is very, very cool. Now, another meme coin that I bought that's in pre-sale right now is Maxi Doge. This one's like the Dogecoin version, a full-fledged degen version. And this pre-sale is ending in 2 days. They've raised over $4.3 million in their pre-sale. They're offering staking, contests, and partner events. It's a pretty cool project that I highly encourage you to check out. All 3 pre-sales I mentioned, Maxi Doge, Pepe Node, and Bitcoin Hyper, will be linked in the description box below for your convenience. Definitely check it out and let me know what you think and if you're gonna be buying into any of these pre-sales. Now guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I am not a financial advisor. Therefore, none of this is financial advice. And again guys, like I said earlier in the live stream, we usually typically go live 2 to 3 times a week, every single week on this channel. This week there was an exception. It was just a crazy week with some personal stuff going on in the holiday season, but we're ending this year strong. We're gonna start the new year strong, and we're not fading crypto. So if you want to get regular crypto content, regular crypto news, do make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you lovely folks in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace. All right, guys. Enjoy.